if I had to do affiliate marketing starting today, how would I do it? The answer is, honestly, first of all, I'm going to have an Instagram account, of course. I'm going to have a TikTok account, of course. I'm going to have a YouTube account, of course. And I'm also going to have, for example, a blog. And my goal is going to be to niche down. So let's say, for example, I want to focus on camera gear. Now, as we know, affiliate marketing is you selling a product that's not yours, but getting, for example, a commission for selling it because basically you sold it for that person. So you deserve a commission. Now, this means if this is going to be cameras for me, what am I going to do? How do I bring somebody that wants to get into cameras value? I write blogs about it. I write videos about it. I do reviews on these cameras. But Tommy, I'm not going to buy a camera. You don't got to buy the camera. Just watch other people's reviews, read other blogs, see what they said about it, read everything you can about the whole, whatever you're doing. Just figure out everything and then give that person value. You make that in your blog, you make it in your YouTube channel, you make it in your Instagram account, and then you start doing Amazon affiliates or whatever other affiliate websites you want to use, right? ClickBank, whatever it is. You make a blog, you bring value. And every time, I promise you, when somebody looks up that camera, that product, that course, whatever it is, guess who they're going to find? They're going to find you. And when they find you, they're going to find somebody giving them value first, and then giving them the option to go ahead and buy that product. And then boom, you will get a commission. The bad way to go about it is trying to act like people aren't people, right? Like you're just a number, like you don't matter. It's like me doing this live here and just pretending like you're not here, blah, 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 where's my money, right? No, you guys are individuals here. I see you guys typing here. I know you guys are real. I see your face. I hear your voices, right? So you guys are real people. So I gotta try to help you. I gotta try to solve your problems. And then if I offer you, hey, if you guys want to buy this, which is what you want, go ahead and buy it. It's there. But that's how you do it. That's how you do affiliate marketing the right way. You give someone value, then when they buy it because they appreciate your value, you also get a commission. But it all starts at the very beginning, which is value. Value, value, value. The wrong way is, hey, I have this product. You want to buy it? You want to buy it? No, you want to find qualified leads. Those qualified leads are going to come to you because basically those are the same people looking for that information online and they're finding you. And that's how you know basically they're qualified leads. If I had a course to sell you guys right now, I know for a fact every single one of you here are qualified leads because basically you guys want to know about financial freedom. You guys want to know about paying off debt. You guys want to know about investing. So if I have a product and I give you all this value and I'm like, hey, if you guys want to buy this course, buy it, it'll help you out, you go ahead and buy it. But I'm not going to be, hey, just buy this course, leave me alone. You know, no, you guys are people, understand business is being done with individuals. Erase this mindset. The same mindset I'm seeing, for example, with the stock market. People think that, hey, I grab some money, I put it in the stock market, and then boom, I just put it into this little ticker symbol. No, you're putting money into a company, like a real company. Make sure it actually makes sense for you. That's the whole idea. So same thing here when it comes to affiliate marketing. Consider it a people's business. People's business. I like it a lot. You've got to stop.